Step 6. Serial numbers, modules and devices. We call the representations of the same physical hardware modules in VIGO6 for modules. We call the representations of the same hardware modules in VIGO6 for devices. The serial numbers on the modules are 8 digits numbers, and you can find them on the modules next to the serial number barcode. For the installed PD955 COP PC, the serial number is shown in the PD955 Manager located on the Windows taskbar. When the PC device, PD955 is running, the serial number is shown in the top bar. The device is connected to a net is given a node address automatically. The node addresses are distributed by sending the address to devices with a specific unique serial number. For doing that, the serial number of the different devices must be configured in the project. First, you find and click on the PD850 device. Insert the serial number in the Properties area to the right in the editor. Find and click on the PD610 device. Insert the serial number in the Properties area. Find and click on the installed PD955 COP PC device. Insert the serial number in the Properties area. Finally, you find and click on the Project Downloader device. Insert the serial number of the downloader. In this case it is 20, 32, 79, 71. Once you have provided the project with the correct serial numbers, you must save and build the project. Click the Save icon. Select the project and click the Build icon to build all the devices in the project. Note that the little blue squares to the left disappear when the project is built, which indicates that the project has been built without errors. You are now ready to move on to the next step, where you will learn how to download the project to the hardware and test whether the temperature regulator works.